Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to English Mania, the host of Spoken. So today our class is all about English, spoken English. Okay, did you ever think that why should you learn spoken English? Did you ever think why it's important? Or why are you learning spoken English? If you did, so this video will answer that. And if you didn't, then it shall be your advantage. Okay, so let's start. Before starting, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe and tap on the bell icon. Don't forget to like, comment and share on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram so that our community get bigger. So let's start. Then it's a question: why spoken English is important? Why should we learn that? Well, the first answer is it's a language. It's an international language. So as English an international language, we have to learn it because we can communicate with this all over the world. Only this language is allowed all over the world, and over 80 countries have this language as their first language. So English is important for language. Then if you could have heard the name of IELTS, IELTS, the International English Language Testing System. It just tests your English proficiency and give you a band score to get admitted into the universities worldwide in UK, USA, Canada, Australia, and there's a general training IELTS, what gives you a chance to migrate from a country to another. This helps you a lot for communicating with the world. So we got to one language, two IELTS. Then it's a subject also. So if you want to cut result, good result, then you have to learn English. Only spoken English consists of four things. One of them is grammar, which is very much important in English subject. So that's why we have to learn English. Hope this was helpful for you. You could know why should you learn English. If you have any suggestion, please put in the comment box, or if you want to know something more about English, please put in the comment box. And yes, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Please like, comment and share. Okay, goodbye. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video. Tata, Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.